Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and I love doing DIY refashion clothes into the new simply but pretty way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I made a mini skirt from scratch. I bought this fabric years ago and I completely forgot it, but I'm going to turn it into my new skirt now. First step is measuring. You will need to measure your hip size, waist size, and the length of the skirt that you want. After measuring, I'm drawing to the fabric. Because my hip is 92 cm, so the width of my skirt will be a half of my hip size plus 4 cm, which is 50 cm. To the length of the skirt, I want it around 41 cm, so I draw to the fabric 45 cm, which is 4 cm longer than my expected length. After drawing my measurement, I will have two rectangles with the size 50 cm width and 45 cm high. They will be the front and the back of the skirt after cutting by the drawing line. Now I'm going to the waist of the skirt. At two sides of the top, I go to inside 4 cm each side and mark there. Then I'm drawing the outlines from that mark down to 20 cm at each side, so I will have the slight curve from the waist to the hip of the skirt. At the back of the skirt, I go to inside 12 cm each side and mark there. From the mark, I draw straight down 15 cm. Then I'm drawing the triangle with 2 cm high from that line. So I have the width of the waist is 34 cm. It's a half of my waist size plus 2 cm. I fold two triangles facing to each other and use the pins to hold it, then sew in by the drawing line. And we have the back of the skirt. Moving to the front of the skirt, because I don't want to have the sewing line in the front like the back. So instead of making the triangle like the back at each side of the top, I move to inside 4 cm and draw in the outline to the end of the front. After cutting, I will have the front of the skirt with the width of the waist is 34 cm, same size with the back of the skirt. I'm overcasting the fabric to protect them. Next step, I'm going to make the waistband of the skirt. I'm cutting two rectangles with the height is 8 cm. Then I apply them to the front and the back of the skirt and draw the outline at two sides of the connection. also overcasting the waistband to protect the fabric. Then I'm connecting the waistband to the front and the back of the skirt by using the pins to hold them before sewing. After sewing, to hide the seam to inside the skirt, I'm going to sew another seam at the top of the waistband next to the previous seam. After that, I use the iron to get them there. Next step, I'm connecting one side of the front and the back together. Remember to connect them at the waistband first, then the other area later, and sewing by the line. Moving to the other side of the skirt, I'm using the zipper to create the open area for the skirt. I use the pins to fit the zipper to the skirt. Remember that you need to fit the top of the zipper first, so they will be balanced when you close the zipper. And here is what we will have after sewing. And now I just need to connect the front and the back of the skirt under the zipper by sewing them together. To the extra zipper at the top of the skirt, I fold them inside and hand sew them. Last step is finishing the end of the skirt. I fold the fabric inside by using the pins to hold my folding, then sewing. And we complete this DIY. Here is my result. It's a high-waist skirt that is very easy to mix and match for the outfit to work or for the outfit to go out, and it's not difficult to make by yourself. I like to make them with a white shirt, a small bag and an ankle boot. How about you? Leave me a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to my channel to check out my other video. See you there!